A very good evening to everyone. Today I am Dipanshu Pati.
And I am Vipul Pandey.
So today we are going to talk about plant microbe relationships. Plant and microbe have evolved intricate and often mutually beneficial relationships that are fundamental to the functioning of ecosystem. These interactions range from microscopic world of bacteria and fungi to complex symbiosis that sustain plant life. By understanding the crucial role of plant microbe interactions, we can harness their knowledge to develop more sustainable and efficient agricultural practices.
Now, importance of plant microbe interaction. The interaction among plant and microbes are very important, like in nutrient cycling. Microbes play a vital role in the cycling of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, making them available for the plant uptake. This interdependent relationship is crucial for the overall health and productivity of ecosystem.
Soil health. Microorganisms contribute to the formation and maintenance of healthy soils. Structure enhancing water holding capacity, aeration, and nutrient retention. This supports the growth and development of plant, creating a thriving environment of diverse life forms.
And another importance is the ecosystem resilience. The complex web of plant microbe interacting helps to maintain the stability and resilience of ecosystem, allowing them to better withstand and recover from disturbance such as disease, outbreaks, droughts, and etc.
Mutualistic relationships and symbiosis. So we can see that plant microbes are grouped together by mainly three aspects: rhizobia and legumes, the endophytes, and the mycorrhizal fungi. Rhizobia and legumes are the symbiotic relationships of rhizobium with plant roots of legumes, and mycorrhizal fungi establish a mutualistic association with the roots of many plants, forming an intensive network and enhance plants' ability to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. In return, the fungi receives carbohydrates produced by the plant through photosynthesis. Moreover, endophytes. Some microbes known as endophytes live within the internal tissues of the plant without causing harm. These endophytes can provide better benefits such as improved drought tolerance, pathogen resistance, and growth promotion.
Now, the rhizosphere, the plant-soil interface. It is the space where the microbes interact with the plant. So we can understand it, the microbial diversity. The rhizosphere, the zone of soil immediately surrounding the plant roots, is a hotspot of microbial activity and diversity.
Chemical signaling. Plants and microbes in the rhizosphere communicate through the exchange of chemical signals such as root exudates and microbial metabolites.
Soil structure. The presence of microbe in the rhizosphere can improve soil structure through the production of compounds that bind soil particles together, creating a more stable and porous environment.
Microbial interactions. The rhizosphere is a dynamic and complex environment where microbes interact with each other, competing for resources, engaging mutual relationship, and forming intricate food webs that influence over all health and function as a plant soil system.
Now, beneficial microbes which promoting plant growth. Now, first is the biofertilizers. Certain microbes such as nitrogen fixing bacteria and phosphate solubilizing fungi can be harnessed as biofertilizer to enhance nutrient availability and uptake by the plants, hence reducing the need for synthetic fertilizer.
Biocontrol agents. Certain microbes such as trichoderma fungi and bacillus bacteria, they are used as a biocontrol agents. Phytohormone production. Microbes in the rhizosphere can produce plant growth regulating hormones such as auxins, cytokinins, and gibberellin, which can stimulate root development and should growth in overall plant figure. Moreover, stress tolerance. Beneficial microorganisms can enhance a plant's tolerance to abiotic stresses such as drought tolerance, salinity, and heavy metal contamination.
Now, another importance is the nitrogen fixing bacteria, which enhance the nutrient availability. So we all know about how the nitrogen cycle takes place. So let's explain it by the atmospheric nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant element in the earth. It fixed through the bacteria known as nitrogen fixing bacteria, like nitrogen fixers, which have the ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into the form that plants can use, such as ammonia or nitrates, through a process called biological nitrogen fixation.
And lastly, the plant uptake. Plants can absorb the available nitrogen from the soil using its support essential processes like photosynthesis, protein synthesis, and root development. Mycorrhizal fungi, improving nutrient and water uptake. So there are different kinds of profits which are given here by which are received by the plant or the fungi. So they both can form a symbiotic relationship Advantages like nutrient acquirement, water absorption, disease resistance, and carbon cycling. These are the different advantages what they possess. Nutrient acquisition, mycorrhiza forms extensive network of hyphae and expand the root system so that it could help in greater absorption. Water absorption is also increased by the fungus, and moreover, disease resistance is also given by the fungus, preventing any root-borne diseases or soil-borne diseases. Moreover, carbon cycling, the bidirectional transfer of carbon between the plant and the mycorrhizal fungi is an essential component of global carbon cycle, which implication of ecosystem functioning and climate change and mitigation.
Now, another is the plant defense mechanism, which is also known as plant resistance. Now, we know about different barriers like physical barriers. Plants have evolved various physical defenses such as thick wall, waxy cuticles, and trichomes to prevent the entry of pathogen and limit their spread within the plant tissue. Another is the chemical defense. Plant can also produce a wide range of secondary metabolites such as phenolic compound, terpenoids, and alkaloids that have an antimicrobial properties and can inhibit the growth and development of potential pathogen.
Induce resistance. Upon recognition of the pathogen-associated molecules, plant can activate complex signaling pathways that leads to the induction of defense genes and production of defensive compounds, priming to the plant and for robust and rapid response in future attacks.
Now, the further conclusion and the future research direction. So, the conclusion is the sustainable agriculture, understanding and harnessing the power of plant microbe interaction can lead to the development of more sustainable agriculture practices.
Ecological restoration. Incorporating knowledge of plant microbe relationship can inform and improve the success of ecological restoration. Biotechnological applications. Continued research in the field of plant microbe interaction may uncover novel bioactive compounds, enzymes, and genetic mechanisms that can be leveraged for various biotechnological applications. Advancing scientific understanding, exploring the intricate and the more hidden world of plant microbe relationship can provide valuable insights to the fundamental process that sustain life on our planet. So by this, we sum up our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.